Really? That's good.
Take anything part of the computer home with
you. That's JD. He's not nice. He just told them to take a computer home with them, just in case. Let's get a real close-up zoom on his face. Hi, JD. Hi. This is a successful completion group. The computer is functioning in the background. I sabotaged their hard drive. They found it before we put it back together. I am recommending that a job offer be put forth to both of these young ladies. They can do our job with ease.
Do you have a competition in whose works the best?
And apparently they were so successful they are now playing pinball.
Yep. They actually programmed that.
Not only are they playing pinball, but they apparently wrote the code for the pinball game itself. And all of a sudden an error popped up, so the computer is broken. This is not a successful completion. Let's move on. And this is Bill. Hi, Bill. These will be up on YouTube within the hour. And this was a successful group at EYH 2011. Thank you for your time.